All right, let's have some fun and look at some of the wigs I wore in April. All right, it's that time again for me to show you some of the wigs I wore in the previous month. Can you believe it is May already? I don't know, the year is flying by. I'm going to show you 6 wigs that I wore in the month of April. Now, if you're new to this series, you know how this works, but I get a lot of new viewers, so let me tell you how this works. I'm going to very quickly show you 6 wigs that I wore last month. Now, this is not a wig review. I've already reviewed all these wigs. If you see one that you want to know more about as far as seeing the inside of the cap, seeing it in outdoor lighting, talking about color, cap construction, fit, permatease, all the things, that is in the full review, and you can find that by typing the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel, and the full review will pop up. Y'all, all the wigs I'm going to show you today are available at wigs.com, so be sure to check them out. I will have links to all of these wigs in the drop down box that include a discount, so just go to the drop down box below this video and there will be a link for each of these wigs, and you can check them out at wigs.com. Well, let's start it out with this one. This has been one of the wigs I get the most question about. And I love this wig in the summer because it's short, it's off my neck, it doesn't rub on my clothing. This is my Wille Duo Mono, and my color is ivory blonde shaded. I love the back of this little stack back. Y'all, this is such a comfortable style. It is just one I find myself reaching for time and time again. It's super low density. It's got a nice shape. It comes right under the chin. It's very, very wearable. This is one that just took the wig world by storm, didn't it? This is Jon Renau Holly. My color is Toffee Truffle. I have Holly in 3 different colors. Y'all, this is just one of those wigs that showed up and just everybody wanted it. Everybody bought it. I think it's really beautiful. I love it. If I have it in 3 colors, you know I like it. One thing I like about this wig is I feel like it is a realistic curl pattern. It's a beachy wave, but it's very relaxed. So you could, if you had bio hair, this is one you could easily achieve this kind of curl pattern. And I think that's one reason it's not overdone. It's just a little bit of a wave. I like the length on this. If you like a mid-length style that's low density, have a look at Holly. Now this is another one that is just kind of like Holly, so I wanted to show you these back to back so you could see. This has a long sweeping bang. Now this is Belle Tress Berry. Oh, I love it so. Butter Cake Blonde R, and yes, don't even tell me you love all wigs. Yes, I do. I sure do. You know why? They're mine. And I can love every single one of them. This one I think is very similar to Holly in the wave pattern. Again, a believable wave pattern. Easy to achieve and to maintain on this wig. Now, you know, some of the heat-friendly styles, well, all heat-friendly styles you're going to have to apply heat to keep them looking their best. Now we know that. But some of the very wavy ones are hard to maintain that wave pattern. This one is, when you have a wave pattern like this, it's a little shattered. It's not all wavy up in here where you have to deal with it. It's just on the ends. This is easy to maintain in my opinion. All right, now y'all, we're gonna have to talk about this wig. This is my Wille. This one is the Esprit Soft, metallic gray rooted. Now, Esprit Soft, the cap on this wig, I cannot tell you how comfortable this is. I feel like I don't have a wig on. It is so comfortable. It has been so popular, this style. Again, just a very maintainable wave pattern. Great length on this style. Oh, I love this length for the summer. I just love it. Actually, I like it all year long because in the winter, you can wear a turtleneck with this. You can wear a collared shirt with this. It is just, I think they hit a home run with this length. I love the color pattern. I love everything. I personally love the color. Now, you know, we always talk about the rooted grays. I know many of you are not fans of rooted grays. I, however, am. Now, do I think that it's realistic? No. Black roots are not going to grow out of gray hair. We know that. We know that. I've never approached it that way. I just approach this as almost a fashion color for me. I never wear this wig. I've told you every time someone doesn't say to me, I love your hair. People like it. They wouldn't keep making it if people didn't like it and weren't getting it. However, I wish if I lived in the perfect world and I could have everything I wanted, I wish for every one of these they made, they would make a non-rooted version. Because, not like I said, not everybody wants it. And I wish that it was more inclusive for people who do not want rooted grays, that they had the option. I really do wish that. And hopefully one day that'll be the case. Right now, not so much. It's hard to find non-rooted gray wigs. I love gray. I think every age group now is wearing grays. It's not just for women my age. It's for everybody loves these gray styles. They're so pretty. And actually, you know, I'm still going to stand by it. I like this rooted gray. All right, this is a fairly new release. This is from Amore. This is called Terra and Blonde R. Y'all, this color is so pretty. I think it's unusual. Look at this color. I think they did a beautiful job with this shade. Now, if you like a bang, this is a good wig. It has a nice full bang. It has a pretty wave pattern. Y'all, you can see everything I've shown you has had this wave. That is what is so popular. Everybody's wanting. They're making tons and tons of them because they are that popular. Y'all, this is so low density. This is a beautiful style. I knew this was going to be popular. As soon as it came out, I thought it has a bang, it's low density, it has a nice wave pattern, and they hit a home run with it. All right, we're going to end it up with an all-time favorite. I just repurchased it. This is either my third or fourth. I can't remember, but I think it's my third time I have replaced this wig in the same color. This is my Belle Tress Newport and Raw Sugar Blonde R. This, I just did an unboxing of this wig over on my Instagram 2 days ago. If you want to go over there, you can see it right out of the box. Y'all, this, I love it when I get a new one. It just feels good, right? When you get a new wig. You know I love it if I go back time and time again for it. Again, easy to wear. This is one that I keep on rotation all the time. I have a few wigs that I keep by my door. And when I'm leaving, I grab one as I'm walking out the door. And this is one of them. I know it's always going to be easy. It's casual. It's cute. It has a nice wave pattern. I love the little, you know, the side swooping bang. I'm all about that. It is low density. You can tuck it behind your ear. This is a winner, a 10 out of 10 for me. I hope they never stop making it. That's why I keep repurchasing it. I want to keep it in my wig closet. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. This is so fun for me. I love this little monthly get-togethers where we can chat about a few of the wigs that I enjoyed in the previous month. I hope you enjoyed this also. Please leave me some comments. What were your favorites? Have you tried any of these? What colors do you have? Let's talk about it. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.